Finding the best stapler for woodworking can make your projects faster, stronger, and more precise. Best Stapler for Wood helps secure materials firmly, making it perfect for DIY projects, upholstery, and carpentry tasks. A reliable stapler ensures durability, accuracy, and smooth performance every time you work. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. YEAHOME Stapler for Wood. The YEAHOME Stapler for Wood is a versatile and reliable tool designed for DIY enthusiasts, hobbyists, and professional craftsmen who need a dependable fastening solution. With its 4-in-1 functionality, this staple gun accepts D-shaped, U-shaped, T-shaped staples, and pin brad nails, making it suitable for a wide range of projects. Whether you are working on woodworking tasks, upholstery repairs, crafting, decorating, roofing, or general home improvements, this stapler offers the flexibility to handle multiple materials and applications with ease. The kit also includes 1,000 pieces of each staple type, allowing you to start working immediately without the need to purchase additional supplies. One of the standout features of the YEAHOME staple gun is its heavy-duty construction. Built entirely from chromed steel, the tool is designed to withstand heavy use while maintaining durability and strength. The chrome finish not only enhances the tool's appearance, but also protects it from rust and corrosion, ensuring long-term reliability even in demanding workshop environments. This robust construction allows the stapler to handle tough workloads while maintaining consistent performance. Another practical feature is the adjustable power control. The screw lever located on the top of the tool allows users to easily adjust the pressure from low to high depending on the material they are working with. Number 2. Populo Stapler for Wood. The Populo Stapler for Wood is a modern cordless staple nail gun designed to provide convenience, portability, and efficiency for a wide range of household and DIY applications. Unlike traditional manual staplers, this electric staple gun eliminates the need for compressors, hoses, or cords, allowing users to move freely and work comfortably in any location. Whether you are tackling upholstery work, fixing loose items around the house, decorating frames, or completing small woodworking projects, this tool offers the flexibility and power needed to complete tasks quickly and efficiently. One of the most appealing features of the Populo stapler is its 2-in-1 functionality. It works both as a staple gun and a brad nailer, making it suitable for fastening a variety of materials such as fabric, carpeting, leather, foam, plastic, paper, and softwood. The kit includes 1,200 staples and 400 nails, which means users can begin working immediately after opening the package. This versatility makes the tool an excellent choice for both beginners and DIY enthusiasts. Portability is another major advantage of the stapler. Weighing only about 1.6 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to handle, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. The compact design also makes it comfortable to operate in tight spaces or when working on overhead tasks. Number 3. NewMaster Stapler for Wood. The NewMaster Stapler for Wood is a dependable and practical hand tool designed for a wide variety of fastening applications. Built with durability and ease of use in mind, this staple gun is an excellent choice for woodworking projects, upholstery tasks, furniture repairs, and DIY home improvements. Its combination of sturdy construction, adjustable power settings, and versatile functionality makes it suitable for both beginners and experienced users who require a reliable stapling tool. One of the most impressive aspects of the NewMaster staple gun is its high-quality construction. The tool is made entirely from durable steel and features a chrome finish that protects it from rust and corrosion. This sturdy design ensures long-lasting performance even when the stapler is used frequently in demanding environments. Additionally, the rubberized, non-slip grip provides extra comfort and stability, allowing users to maintain better control and reduce hand fatigue during extended use. Another key feature of the staple gun is its 3-in-1 versatility. The tool supports 3 different types of staples, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks. Whether you are working on upholstery projects, repairing furniture, securing materials, or completing decorative crafts, this stapler offers the flexibility needed to handle different materials and fastening requirements. The package also includes 2,000 common staples, giving users plenty of supplies to begin working right away. Convenience is another important aspect of the new master design. The stapler includes a quick jam clear mechanism that helps users quickly resolve staple jams, saving time and reducing frustration during projects. Number 4. DEWALT Stapler for Wood. The DEWALT Stapler for Wood is a high-quality manual staple gun designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who require a reliable and durable fastening tool. Known for its reputation in producing dependable tools, DEWALT delivers a staple gun that combines strength, comfort, and versatility. This tool is ideal for woodworking, upholstery, carpentry, and general home improvement projects where precision and durability are essential. One of the main highlights of the DEWALT staple gun is its 2-in-1 functionality. The tool accepts both heavy-duty staples and 18-gauge brad nails, allowing users to tackle different types of fastening tasks with a single device. This dual capability makes it suitable for securing fabrics, attaching wooden components, installing insulation, and performing a variety of repair or construction tasks. The stapler's carbon fiber composite housing is another feature that sets it apart. This advanced material helps reduce the overall weight of the tool without sacrificing strength or durability. As a result, users can work comfortably for extended periods without experiencing excessive hand fatigue. Number 5. YEAHOME Stapler for Wood. The upgraded YEAHOME Stapler for Wood kit is a comprehensive fastening solution designed to meet the needs of both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. This versatile 4-in-1 staple gun supports multiple staple types, including D-type, U-type, T-type staples, and pin brad nails. This wide compatibility allows the tool to handle a broad range of tasks, such as upholstery work, woodworking, decorating, roofing, crafting, and general home repairs. With its extensive accessory package and durable construction, this staplet offers excellent value for users who need a dependable and flexible tool. One of the standout advantages of this upgraded kit is the generous supply of staples and accessories included in the package. Users receive 2,000 pieces each of 7/16-inch D-type staples and 1/2-inch U-type staples, along with 1,000 pieces each of 3/8-inch T-type staples and 5/8-inch pin brad nails. In addition to the staples, the kit also includes a heavy-duty staple remover and protective gloves, which help make staple removal safer and more convenient. These extra accessories add significant value and ensure that users have everything needed to start working immediately. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.